Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, September 7th. The Zen story for today is titled The Story He Could Not Finish. It was near dusk when they reached the inn, lanterns swaying gently on crooked hooks, walls leaning like tired elders, the sign above the door too faded to read. No prices, noted the monk, peering at the empty menu board. Exactly, said the monkey. A place of mystery and trust. It's my kind of place. The monk hesitated on the threshold. Quick choices show clarity, the monkey added, strolling inside. So the monk followed, chose a modest room, and said nothing. He slept soundly, dreamless for once. But in the morning, a firm knock woke him up. A woman stood at the door, arms crossed, hair braided like a crown of thorns. That will be one story, she said. The monk blinked. Pardon me? One night stay payment is a story. He rubbed his eyes. What kind of story? Any kind, she said, but it must be yours. The monk sat at the edge of the straw mattress, breath catching somewhere between curiosity and dread. Well, he began slowly, there was once a monk and a monkey. The monkey, who had been watching from the window ledge, grinned. The woman nodded. Go on. The monk opened his mouth, but nothing came. His thoughts slid like pebbles in water. Fragments of temples, footsteps, laughter, leaves that didn't fall, bowls filled with air. But none of it felt like a story. None of it had an end. He started again and then faltered. The woman waited a moment longer. Then she turned, walking away without a word. The monkey hopped down beside him. You know, most people don't realize they're in the middle of the story until it's too late. The monk looked down at his hands, then out of the window, where the trail was already beginning to disappear into morning fog. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes gently and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Simply observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. If someone asked you for your story as payment, what truth would you offer? And what might still be unfolding as you speak? If someone asked you for a story as payment, what truth would you offer? And what might still be unfolding as you speak? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. If someone asked you for your story as payment, what truth would you offer? And what might still be unfolding as you speak? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.